Plagiarism Peddlers? I am amazed at what some people will do to increase their website content. Specifically, I have noticed a trend on at least one particular freelance site whereby someone will say they have a group of articles that they want to have rewritten. Okay, I haven't seen the articles, but I have wondered if they are someone else's articles or if they are the employer's material needing an update. I belong to this particular freelance site and have been disappointed, for the most part, with many of the employers posting work. Some are legitimate, but many seem to be looking for poorly written articles or rewrites of existing articles. In addition, some proposals want fully researched and fresh material written for the princely sum of $10 or less per article. Get real. Personally, I stay away from these purveyors of plagiarism and stick with those employers who are looking for more than a quick fix for their poor performing site. If you want junk, your site will look and read like junk. There is simply no way of ethically getting around this point. Furthermore, you get what you pay for. If you are a professional writer, I hope you are holding up conventional copyright standards. If you aren't, then you are simply contributing to much of the regurgitated garbage now circulating on the internet. End of story.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.